Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 8 English version, Math Algebra, exercise 4.1, serial number 1. Find the square of the following expressions with the help of formula. Under serial number 1, there are a couple of maths in the book, but I just picked two. One is serial I, the other one is serial S. Okay. We have to find the square. Let me use the white chalk. So square of minus xyz minus abc equals to minus xyz minus abc whole square equals to, we can write, let's bring the minus sign out. How? If we take minus 1 common, then x, y, z plus, it should be plus because this is minus. We know minus into plus is minus, and for same reason this is plus because this is minus. The result should be minus. Okay, so this is plus abc, and here is whole square equals to minus 1 whole square into xyz plus abc whole square. We know a formula. There is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Just let us use that formula. So minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 1. So we don't need to write this. And if we think this is a and this is b, we can apply the formula a plus b whole square. Okay, x, y, z plus a, b, c whole square equals to, if this is a, this is b, then a square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay, x, y, z square plus twice ab means 2 into x, y, z into abc plus abc whole square equals to x square plus y, x square, y square, z square plus 2 xyz abc, xyz abc plus a square, b square, c square. And this is the answer. If you want to write the answer, it should be like this. Answer x square, y square, z square plus 2xyz abc plus a square, b square and c square. Okay, let's do the next one. Serial S. There are three elements. A, if we think this is a, this is b and this is c, or if this is x, this is y, this is z, then the formula is x plus y plus z. Here why I say x, y, z? Because they have the math, in the math we can see they have used a, b, c. So let's not confuse things. So instead let us use x plus y plus z whole square equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2 xz or zx, whatever. Okay, the square of 7a square plus 8b square minus 5c square equals to 7a square plus 8b square plus minus 5c square whole square equals to, as we know, x plus y plus z whole square equals to, so this should be 7a square whole square plus 8b square whole square plus minus 5c square whole square. Okay, as we know the formula, there is no minus sign, so let us put plus here, and inside should be the minus 5c, and if we multiply plus with minus, the result is minus. Okay, now x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy, then it should be 2 into 7a square into 8b square, 8b square plus 2bc, 2 into 8b square into minus 5c square plus 2zx, so 2, here z is minus 5c square, minus 5c square and a 7a square. So let's just do the simplification and make it simple. 7a square into 7a square means 49 a to the power 4 plus 8b square into 8b square, 64, b to the power 4 minus 5 into minus 5 means 25, c to the power 4 plus 25 c to the power 4 2 into 7 square, 7, 2 into 7a square into 8b square, then 7 into 2 means 14 into 8 equals to 112, so plus 112 a square b square. Let's come here, 2 into 8, 16 into 5, 80 minus 80. Why minus? Because if we multiply minus with plus, it is the result is minus. So it's 80 b square c square, b square c square plus 2 into minus 5, then this is minus, and then again plus 7, then again minus, because plus into plus minus minus. Okay, 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 7, 70, minus 70, c square a square, c square and a square. Okay, this should be the answer actually. We don't need to do anything else. Okay, answer is 49 a to the power 4 plus 64 b to the power 4 plus 25 c to the power 4 plus 112 a square b square minus 80 b square c square minus 70 c square a square. Thank you everyone. If you have a question, please write it in the comment box and I will try to give a reply. Thank you.